Oh, around the edge stuff. What's up, guys? Welcome to Stephamunch. I'm Steph, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my minestrone recipe. This soup is perfect for winter, summer, spring, fall, you name it. This soup is bomb any time of the week. You've probably had it at Olive Garden, but we'll have it at home for better. Just follow this recipe. Video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to comment down below if you have any requests of things you want me to cook or eat.
Sausage?
Or
sorry.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. You can see what else I have cooking up. You get it? Cooking. Stephamunch.